Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This is the ice maker everyone's been talking about. It makes 38 pounds of chewable, crunchable nugget ice per day. The good ice. With a 1-gallon side tank, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a smart app to control it all, your countertop just leveled up. Sleek stainless steel meets serious performance. Whether it's cocktails, iced coffee, or mocktail magic, your drink game just got colder and cooler. This is your new go-to for stylish storage and serious function, a 2-pack stackable organizer that does double duty. With a sleek bamboo top and large compartments, it holds everything from trash bags to laundry supplies with ease. Wall-mountable and versatile, it keeps your space clutter-free and looking fresh. Whether in the kitchen, pantry, or laundry room, it's the chic solution to everyday mess. Minimalist vibes, maximum utility, now that's a win-win. This is the lunch upgrade you didn't know you needed, the Crock Pot 20-ounce electric lunchbox in the cutest blush pink. It's compact, portable, and keeps your food warm wherever life takes you, car, office, or a cozy road trip pit stop. Spill-free and dishwasher safe, it makes meal prep chic and hassle-free. Just plug it in, let it heat, and enjoy home-cooked comfort on the go. Who says convenience can't be adorable? This is the ultimate sidekick for your daily brew. The coffee canister with a sleek window view and 22 ounces of airtight freshness. Crafted from stainless steel, it locks in bold flavor for coffee grounds, beans, tea, sugar, and more, while the built-in date tracker keeps your stash at peak perfection. The included scoop means no more morning guesswork, just easy, aromatic goodness every time. It's more than a canister, it's your countertop coffee ritual, upgraded. This microwave s'mores maker delivers ooey-gooey perfection in just minutes, no campfire needed. With a clever design that holds everything in place, it's your shortcut to sweet, melty goodness anytime, anywhere. Just add graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, zap and snack. It features a built-in water reservoir that creates steam to evenly heat and melt without burning your marshmallows. This is your all-in-one Margarita magic maker, a 3-tier bar glass rimmer that turns your cocktail nights from casual to classy in seconds. With dedicated compartments for salt, sugar, and lime juice, this bartender essentially keeps things clean, quick, and oh so satisfying. Just dip, twist, and serve up those perfectly rimmed glasses like a pro. Whether it's margaritas, mojitos, or mocktails, this tool's got your rim game on lock. This is the QuezArt long-handled grill cleaner brush, 16.5 inches of pure barbecue beast mode. With tough stainless steel bristles and a heavy-duty scraper, it powers through burnt-on gunk like a champ. Whether you're scrubbing grates or griddles, this brush keeps your cookout game strong and your grill spotless. No more elbow grease, just smooth slides and sizzle-ready surfaces every time. This is the Blast Max, your personal smoothie sidekick that goes anywhere you do. With a cordless design, 3 powerful blend programs, and a 22 ounces twist-and-go vessel, it crushes ice and blends fruits like a boss. Whether you're gym-bound, desk-chained, or road-tripping, it's leak-proof, dishwasher-safe, and totally ready for whatever's next. That lavender major style points. This is your new go-to gadget for messes big and small, a handheld vacuum that doesn't just suck. It blows too, literally. With a beastly 13,000 PA of cordless power, this 2-in-1 suction and blow machine is perfect for your car, home, office, or even pet hair battles. Lightweight, sleek in white, and ready to rescue you from crumbs, dust, and chaos. No cords, no stress, no problem. This is the ultimate cuddle buddy for moms to be. The U-shaped pregnancy pillow is 57 inches of full body support bliss. Designed to cradle your back, belly, hips, and legs, it helps you actually sleep during pregnancy. Yeah, imagine that. The removable, machine-washable cover keeps things clean and cozy, while its ergonomic shape relieves pressure in all the right places. Rest easy, mama comfort just leveled up. This is the Little Green, your compact cleaning sidekick that tackles big messes with zero stress. Whether it's muddy car seats, pet accidents, or mystery spills on your couch, this portable carpet and upholstery cleaner lifts stains like a pro. It's lightweight, powerful, and comes with specialty tools to get deep into every corner and crevice. Say goodbye to grime and hello to all fresh from this mighty green machine. This is the Underdesk Cable Management Tray, the clean desk hero you didn't know you needed. No drills, no mess. Just clamp it on and watch the chaos of cords disappear like magic. Tame tangled wires, organize your office setup, and keep your workspace sleek and damage-free. Whether it's for home or the 9-to-5 grind, this wired tray brings peace and productivity back to your desk life. This is the ultimate rolling sidekick for your grocery runs, errands, and everyday hustle. Lightweight, foldable, and smooth rolling, it's got wheels that glide like butter and a removable bag that handles it all. From farmers markets to laundry day, this hand truck turns heavy lifting into a total breeze. Ready, and ridiculously useful, it's the carry-all cart your arms have been begging for. It features 7 compartments including a beverage holder, umbrella pocket, and zippered pocket to keep everything organized on the go. This tabletop firemaker kit brings that crackling campfire energy straight to your kitchen table or patio setup. Made with sleek concrete for modern vibes, it's compact, portable, and safe for indoor or outdoor use. Whether you're toasting marshmallows or setting the mood, this mini fire pit turns any space into a cozy hangout spot. It features a clean burning fuel chamber for smokeless flames, perfect for mess-free s'mores and year-round ambiance. This 35 to 40 pounds airtight dog food storage container keeps your pup's meals fresh, organized, and totally pest-free. It's collapsible for easy storage, rolls smoothly with built-in wheels, and even includes bonus containers and a scoop for mess-free feeding. It features a secure locking lid and date tracker to help you monitor freshness and reduce waste. This is the glass giant your kitchen didn't know it needed but now won't live without. With a massive 220 ounces capacity, it's perfect for meal prepping, veggie stashing, or baking up a full lasagna or even a turkey. The airtight locking lid keeps everything fresh, and yes, it's oven safe, BPA-free, and built to last. Whether you're storing leftovers or roasting Sunday dinner, this container's got your back. Big, bold, and ready for anything, this isn't just storage. It's a kitchen power move. This is the sleek, wall-mounted mouthwash dispenser that turns your bathroom into a wellness station. With a 19.4 fluid ounces tank and magnetic cups that snap into place, it's perfect for everyone from little kids to grown-ups on the go. No more cluttered counters or messy spills, just smooth, stylish hygiene at the push of a button. Modern, minimal, and super convenient, this dispenser is your new daily refresh, clean vibes only. This is your go-to duo for party time, brunch time, or lemonade stand dreams. Each 1-gallon glass drink dispenser comes with a sleek stand, leak-proof stainless steel spigot, and a built-in ice cylinder to keep things cool. From sweet tea to sangria, it pours like a charm. Hosting's easier, drinks stay fresh, and cleanup is a breeze. Oh, and it doubles as a chic laundry detergent dispenser too. Function, aesthetic. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.